Right folks, I just want to let you know we've got some more of these in, and I am going to do one today for the beginners that haven't seen them, because I can't remember what I called them. But there is another video on them. And these are more or less the same size, but you've got the bronze, the gunmetal, the silver and the gold. I've also, and I came across these really cheaply, and of course I'm going to pass those savings on to you. So you don't need to, they are a pin and you can keep them as is. Oh, I haven't got strength. My strength's really bad. But I would use them on your, you know, on your little projects. And these are just metal teddy bears. And like I say, we have those in 3 colours. Silver, gold and like a gunmetal. So with the teddy bears in gold, in like a gunmetal and silver. And they are quite heavy, so they're good quality ones. And the pins. But like I say, I can't remember how you, I think you just untwist them, don't you? Or do you do that with them to get them off? I don't know, I can't remember. But anyway, you'll work that out. So we've got those teddy bears. They're going on really, really cheap. I know people don't like me using the word cheap, but they're cheap. And then I came across these. Now we have these. Let me just sort them out. We've got them in gold, and they're, you can just hook them onto something. You know, just hook them on, fasten them up, and the little bag charms. But yeah, I could use those for my bags, which I can't do that. So let's just pin that in there like that. There we go, that's it. So we've got those in, they're like bag charms or zip pulleys. Bronze, gold, black, gunmetal. Is it? There's, yep, gunmetal one. There. And silver. Take that one out and take that one out and put the right ones in place for you, because they weren't even the same. There you are. Gold, bronze, black, gunmetal. That's not silver. And then we've got the heads. These are like ears. Black, gunmetal. That goes there. That's a gunmetal one. Gold, bronze, gunmetal and the silver. So they're 30 pence each. That's all they are. 30 pence for one of those. You can use them on your zips, or you can use them as a charm. And then these are going to be 30 pence as well. Okay. And then, like I say, you will get a collection of these. Now, I think what I'm going to do is 3 gold, 3 gunmetal, 3 bronze and 3 silver. No, we'll do it a different way. We'll do 4 of those, 4 of each. So that's 16. And I'm going to show you what to do with those right now. So, let me make sure I've got a pair. Because you need a pair. Well, actually, you don't need a pair. You need one. What the hell am I talking about? Fee, come on. I haven't woken up yet. So, we've got that. Now, what I'm going to do with mine is, I do have that fabric, which is the velvet. So I'm only using a very small piece, but it's big enough for what I want. Like that. I'm going to take my ruler. This one. No, not that one. Full of rubbish. I'll just take that one. Okay. Just so I've got a very straight line. Like that. And I'm going to cut it. So obviously the wider these are, the wider you need your fabric. Now you can make these out of ribbon, fabric strips, whatever you want to do with them. Okay, so we've got that. And you take hold of this, which I am going to do that with in the middle. I'm going to take my soft clamp, and we're just going to, if we can get that right in the middle, you clamp them down. That's actually moved to one side. So I'm just going to trim that off because that'll do me head in. Like that. And because I can, I'm going to cut this and shape it a little bit. Like that. And then what I can do, glue guns on. See? So we've got that, and that you can put a link on that, and a let me just see what I've got, because I have some, here we are, I've got them. So I need like a gunmetal one. Can I not find something to put this lot in? So these are where I keep all my hooks. Ah, found one. I've got that. So all I have to do now is to pop on a link. See everything? I know where everything is. Now I do need, here we are, got it. I'm not bothered what size link it is at all. So it's a split ring basically. So now I just have to hold this, split the ring like that. Hopefully that will hold that, just like that, and then we have to pop that on as well, and then we pop this back together like that, and then just make sure that is pinned into place, and it is. So now that can hang from somewhere. I'm going to hang it off my bag or whatever I need to do with it now. I'm just going to remove that bit there. So now all we have to do, decorate it. So I'm using the things I had yesterday. All the purple bits. Yeah, can do that. Let's have a look. Make sure we get this the right way. Never can tell sometimes with these. Take my lighter, seal that off, and that one. Okay, just as decoration, I'm going to add this to here, and then just a dot on each of the flowers. Like that. I'm going to pull that straight. See how that looks? I mean, already it just looks fab. Now I'm going to have a look and see what I've got that's purple. Do I have anything in here? Oh, just, I know, but look at that. That's gorgeous, isn't it? I mean, does it have to be purple? No. I'm just trying to get things to match. See, that's gunmetal, so I could use that, couldn't I? I might use that instead and save my brooch for a different one. So, this was an earring. So I'm going to take the earring off. It is gunmetal, it all matches. Now, I'm going to have to put this on with glossy accents. and hot glue. So what I'm going to do is put the glossy accents on the outer section there, and then just do a little bit of glue on the in section, and I'm just going to hang that. You know, straight away you've got like a bookmark, but I can also enhance that because I've got some of these. I want something in the middle there. I have got another one of those. See that? And I think that looks fab. That'll do me all day long. Wait a minute. I'm going to try it this way. We're going to pop that on there like that. Put all these beads where they're supposed to go. See, like that. Put the lid back on there. Put those back where they belong. See how that's dang? Isn't that lovely? You can just do anything with them. And you can add things on here. I don't want to do too much. Let me just see. I want to really... Oh, look, that's going to look gorgeous, isn't it? So I need to get those two loops off. My handle. I'm sorry, folks, but I need to get some new tools. I've had mine for such a long time. And they've done well, actually. So don't go and buy expensive tools, ever. Right, I'm just going to put this on here. And just pop that on there like that. Lovely. Yeah. Now I've got that could go up the middle. Or do I want the black? Oh, I don't like either. No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to spoil it. It doesn't need any more. I just thought it might help it, but it's not. But that's so easy to do. And you make yourself a bookmark. What can I say? That's a little bit of ribbon, bit of bling. There you go. Waste not, want not, make something out of it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.